Hi, today's tutorial we are going to teach you on how to add call financial account using BPI Online Express. So this is the website of BPI Online. Now we need to type in here our username and password. And click login. Now we're now in the dashboard of the website. So from the menu, we have to click home. There is a my account, transfer money, and so on, and other services. Now we need to click here the other services. From the other services menu, you have to find it the recipients. Okay, now we have to click on the manage recipient. Now what we need to do is to add another account. So we need to click the add new recipient. Alright, so from the billers, we need to select the billers and the biller code. Now we need to type in here the COL, or Call Financial Incorporated. So next, the reference number. Alright, check properly the correct information, then click confirm. One-time PIN will be sent through your SMS registered number of BPI Express Online. Once you receive, type in here and click confirm. Alright, so we successfully registered a new biller account under the name of Call Financial Incorporated. So as you can see, there are now two billers here and it shows the two accounts of COL. So that's it for adding account. Now we are here on how to find your COL financial account using BPI Online Express mobile application. So from the menu, you have to find it, pay bills. So under the pay from, you have to select your savings account, and then the amount to pay, you have to type in here the amount in peso. And then to pay to, you have to find the recently what we added, the second Call Financial account. So this is the one. So once done, click next. So we'll receive also a one-time PIN or one-time password. So once correct, please confirm. Okay, so one-time PIN will be sent through your registered mobile number. So enter the one-time PIN and click submit. So once done, so we successfully fund our Call Financial account using BPI Online Express. So I hope this video helped you and guide you on how to send money and fund money using BPI Online Express to Call Financial account. Thank you so much for watching.